Ready? Start. In view of the guidelines laid down by this court, the urgent bail applications have been directed to be heard through video conferencing. Full stop. Heard learned Sri Anup Trivedi, learned senior counsel, assisted by Sri Vivek Prakash Mishra, learned counsel for the applicant and learned AGA through video conferencing. Full stop. This bail application has been directly filed before this court under section 439 CRPC without approaching the court below. Full stop. Therefore, the counsel for the applicant submits that the powers under section 439 CRPC should be exercised in this case by the High Court, since the courts at Mathura are not functioning on account of lockdown. Full stop. His submission is that the powers under section 439 CRPC can be exercised by this court directly, as the High Court has power and jurisdiction to entertain the plea of surrender and also bail thereafter directly without compelling the accused to first approach the court of sessions. Full stop. In the aforesaid judgment, the apex court has considered the mandate of Article 21 also. Full stop. After going through the judgment of the apex court in the case of Sandeep Kumar Bafna, within brackets Supra, this court finds that the Bombay High Court rejected the accused's bail application on the ground that it had no jurisdiction except the custody of the accused, the Supreme Court directed the High Court to accept the custody and decide the bail application on merit, on the basis that no provision categorically prohibits the production of accused before either of the courts. Full stop. Para. After considering the submission made by the counsel for the applicant, this court finds that in the present case no issue of surrender of accused is involved. Full stop. Accused applicant is already in jail since 19/4/2020. Full stop. Only question of consideration of the bail application to the accused applicant is before this court, since he has not been able to approach the court of sessions on account of the lockdown. Extraordinary circumstances requires extraordinary remedies, and therefore this court is inclined to consider the present bail application in exercise of its power under section 439 CRPC, but without making it a precedent for normal times. Full stop. Para. It is contended by learned counsel for the applicant that applicant is manager of cargo company known as Messrs. Om Logistics Limited. Full stop. It was transporting the goods belonging to Novita's company and it was being supplied to Messrs cargo traders, full stop. The goods are stated to be 21600 bottles of cough syrup within bracket cordial bracket closed comma, which contains some amount of bind drugs, stop. The case of the applicant is that he was manager of transport company and has nothing to do with the chemical composition of syrup being transported or legal requirements of its contents, comma, which was concerned with the manufacturer and purchaser, stop over.